The insurance giant Santam says COVID-19 has forced change in the country. Its survey found that since businesses moved from office space to working from home, there was less vehicle movement on the roads. This equated to more spending on buildings and technology insurance.
For the consumer, the big issue obviously has been the shift in motor and the move to work from home. 50% of our respondents by numbers said that they travelled less during the lockdown, and on average for that 50% it was a 44% decline, which is really significant. A move from an average 162 kilometres per week down to just 90, and that's a fundamental shift. Then of course we had the uptick on the reverse side with the utilisation of technology, with a lot more people now being actively engaged.
The survey also found that 8 in 10 consumers were negatively impacted by COVID, while 60% experienced financial loss in the last year. It confirmed that the hospitality sector was the hardest hit during this time. And with the civil unrest, businesses once again had to close their doors, causing further business interruption and production downtime. Santam says the social unrest pushed the country into further economic distress.
The hospitality sector stat is particularly concerning when we see that 41% of the hospitality industry were forced to close because of the impact of the pandemic. Those who remained open lost profit, 84% lost profit, and staff retrenchments, 59% had to lay off staff.
To avoid future pandemic risks, a sample of people were asked how the current challenges can be avoided. However, there were mixed reactions in this regard.
There needs to be some form of public-private partnership coming forward here. The reality is that from an insurance perspective, the absolute size of the potential losses in themselves make it very difficult to charge a premium that can correlate with the extent of the possible losses. It's simply too expensive to insure.
While technology continues to evolve, it also poses new risks like cybercrime to consumers. Santam has found that cybercrime remains a big issue in the country. Therefore, consumers are urged to update their data security insurance to avoid falling victim of cyber attacks. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.